Hey, what's up? Check this out. So it's been officially more than a year, a little bit over a year ago, on July 19th of 2022, we took 4 jars with 4 giant tiger lily flowers. And you see here today, we have a giant yellow rose that we found along our journeys. And I wanted to preserve this in the best way possible. So a year plus ago, we filled each of these jars with a different liquid with a tiger lily flower to see what would best preserve them. Right here, check it out for a recap if you haven't seen the original. We have tiger lilies, and we have 4 of them. Put each lily in a different liquid and see which one stays the longest. We're going to write down what's in each one and the date. So today's the 19th of July. Now, so now that you've seen that, we're going to go through and look and see what these have done in a little bit over 1 year. So, first up, we have vinegar. And the vinegar initially looked pink, but the color is completely all faded. It almost is just barely orange and looks black and whitish. I'm going to notice there's a little bit of sediment on the bottom here. But the flower, for the most part, remains mostly intact, minus whatever this floating stuff is in there. All right, gasoline. This one's the one that had the ink in the bottom, and if you look there, the ink has changed from black where it was to an orange color. It's really pretty. I still wonder if I can write with that, as it swirls around the bottom and looks almost like liquid metal. But this gasoline has totally preserved this flower completely, the original color and everything, minus the dots. All right, Sprite. Now, the last time we looked at this had tons of chunks and floaties in it, which it still does kind of. And if you look here at the top, you can see it's starting to mold there. But honestly, the color of this thing is spot on original. I mean, there's no difference in the color. All the dots are there. All the pieces are there. Everything is legitly there. And there's nothing falling apart like with the vinegar. That is definitely impressive. So, Sprite. And lastly, I believe we have oil, and this is just standard vegetable oil that we put in here. And what I notice is that the liquid has pretty much absorbed an orange color, and no parts have really fallen off the flower, but it has lost all of its black dots, and there is no ink inside of this one. So maybe whatever made the ink and the gasoline has mixed with the oil in this to change the color of the liquids. So there's no dots, there's no mold, there's no floaties. The oil is really nice, but it's kind of opaque. So, if you go to preserve flowers in the future, these are our results with these 4 liquids. Let me know which one you like the best and which one I should put this yellow rose in, because I really want to preserve this yellow rose. So, thanks for watching.